Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. First, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now repeat the process for a few more times. Fix the clip and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now roll it upward and make a bun out of it using this bun making tool. Roll it from the sides, fix the hairs by spreading it like this and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides. Tie half of the hairs, now rotate it like this. After rotating it, put the hairs down like this and fix it in the between. Put the rubber band like this, now spread it to make a bun, fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie half of the hairs on the top and make the plaits on it like this. Join the hairs together by making the plaits. Now take the hairs all together, fix it by tying it over the plaited hairs like this. Tie them together like this using a rubber band. Fix the hairs by rotating it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs on the top and make the plaits on it like this. First, divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits like this. Tie it using a rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this. So here we are taking small section of the hairs. Now rotate it, fix it and it's done. Next, we will tie a ponytail like this using a rubber band. Divide it from the between, divide it and then rotate the hairs as shown in the video. Fix it on the top in the halfway. Fix it in a bun shape. Now roll the rest of the hairs, fold it on the top and rotate it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this. Tie it using a rubber band and fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fix the hairs into each other. And then you can put the hair clips and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie a high ponytail like this. Now divide the hairs, take the hairs from the sides, divide them and put it under the another section of the hairs, tie them and make the hairs in the same manner as shown. Follow the same step till the end, tie it from the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can also fold it if you want and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.